What up, YouTube? Ed WeskerGriff coming back with a box break video. Going to be opening up this rookie card explosion box, limited batch, volume 1 by Philmington. So I'm going to leave the link down below for Philmington's channel. Please go check it out. I'm also going to leave the link down below where he goes more into depth and talks more about the rookie card explosion box. I was lucky enough to be selected by Philmington to win one of these boxes. So Phil, thank you very, very much. Greatly appreciate it. And I'm really looking forward to opening this up. As someone who does a lot of rookie card pack chasing, this is right up my alley. So really looking forward to hunting for some key rookie cards. And there's a lot of different packs in here. So without further ado, let's get this on open. Already cut the tape, so we'll just pop the top. As you can see, we got some packs here. Get this, some packing peanuts. We'll get the packs right here. I'm going to go in chronological order by these packs. So we'll put them all right here. Got everything. We'll put the packing peanuts back. Put that right there. We got a little note. Ed, got some get some big hits. Any feedback would be appreciated. Philmington. And we got, looks like a checklist. The first release rookie card explosion box contains one of each of the below baseball card packs. Each pack was handpicked for its featured rookies. As you can see, this is what we got. 1985 Topps, 89 Upper Deck, 90 Leaf, Series 1, 93 Score, 2014 Topps Update. Alright, we get a hunt for the Mookie. 2017 Bowman Chrome, 2017 Topps Series 1, 2017 Topps Heritage Minor League, 2018 Bowman Baseball Retail, 2018 Topps Chrome, 2018 Topps Gallery, and 2018 Topps Heritage Minor League. All packs come directly from sealed boxes that were open for the sole purpose of populating the rookie card explosion boxes. All boxes and packs have never been searched. Packs used from hobby boxes unless otherwise noted. And then I think on the back here, we got a checklist of the key rookie cards that you're looking for. So 85 Topps, looking for the Big Mac, the Clemens, the Kirby Puckett, 89 Upper Deck. Of course, we're looking for the Ken Griffey Jr. There's also Smoltz and Sheffield in there as well, and Randy Johnson. 90 Leaf, Sammy Sosa. So tons of great rookies to go for. Let's stop talking and let's start cracking. So we got 85 Topps here. Get this one on open. And I am no way going to eat the gum. Definitely not eating the gum. I remember when Nate ate the gum. Topps 85 401. So, win a trip to the 1986 All-Star Game. We got a record breaker, Cliff Johnson. We got Ozzie Virgil here, father and son. That's cool. Steve Crawford, Red Sox. Rick Sutcliffe, All-Star. Domingo Ramos. Got the A's. Steve Trout, father, son. Gerald Perry. Jeff Zahn. Brian Little. That's definitely off center. Holy smokes. Look at that. Dal Murray. Andy Hawkins. And Jeff Leonard. No Big Mac. But got nice cards. That was fun. Here we go. The year I was born, 1989 Upper Deck. I have, the last time I opened one of these on camera, I pulled the Griffey. So, let's see how I do. Starting off with a Philly. Shane Raleigh. Ivan Calderon. Dave Bregman. Got some cut. Will the Thrill Clark. What up, Joey brings it. What up, Nate? Kelly Gruber. Andy Van Slyke. Terry Francona. Let's see. Devon White. Charlie Lay. Leon James. And Noakes. And Terry Leach. So that was the 89. Maybe we'll have some better luck here on the Leaf. Looking for Sammy Sosa. Bob Boone. Royals. David Cone. Lou Whittaker. Tim Burke. John Farrell would go on to manage the Red Sox to a World Series. Hubie Brooks. Carlton Fisk. Mike Scott. Rich Aguilera. Chris Bose. Roger McDowell for the Phils. Get that for the PC. Flash Gordon. Kevin Esther. Mike Henneman. And Puzzle Card. Alright, so that's the 90 Leaf. No Slammin' Sammy. But we got more packs ahead. This is a thick pack. So this is the 1993 score. We are looking for the Jeter. So let's see if we get the captain. These are packed over here. We need the El Capitan. Mike Perez. Arthur Rhodes. Ex-Philly and Oriole. 1992 no-hitter. Kevin Gross. Remember that, Pepino? 1992 World Series, Game 2. Blue Jays. Doug DeCenzo. Bill Spears. Devon White. He was an underrated 90s player. We got a select 92 Leaf National. Mariano Duncan, Will the Thrill Clark, and Ray Langford, another very underrated 90s player. Put up solid numbers every year, Ray Langford. Kevin Reiner. Jesse Lewis, rookie prospect. And Mike Harkley. No Jeter. Alright, so that's it with the 80s and the 90s. Now we're going into the modern era. And here we go. Topps Update 2014. Hunt for the Mookie. And there's also Jacob deGrom, George Springer, and Eugene Suarez. So we're loaded in 2014. Let's go. Let's get a Mookie. We got Justin Turner, Chris Calballo, Derek Barton. It's in the Mexican League now. Austin Jackson. There's a gold in here. AJ Przinsky. Gold Mookie. No, who we got? Carlos Gomez. It's going to be numbered out 2014. Drew Smiley. Chase Utley. My dude. All-Star Game card. There's Carlos Gomez again. and Zach Greinke. Alrighty, no Mookie. Let's try the Bowman Chrome from 2017. I will never not love that sound of packs getting open. This little chromium here. Daniel Gossett for the Oakland A's. Adam Yeverly, Diamondbacks. Oh, snap. We got an autograph here. Dewell Lugo for the Arizona Diamondbacks. All right. On-card autograph. Very, very cool. Don't really know much about this guy, but it's always great hitting an autograph. From the Dominican Republic. 2016 Arizona Fall League Rising Star pick. Very, very cool. So, have a new player to follow now. Very, very cool. Kind of has a signature similar to Carlos Gonzalez. Very, very neat. Nice auto hit. Then we got Gerald Cotton. And rookie card of Jordan Montgomery. That's a nice one. So that pack brought pay dirt. That was a good one. Now on to the 2017 Series 1. Looking for the Judge. Josh Bell. Rookie card. Clay Buchholz. Dylan Betances dances pantsless, as if cometh Egg would say. Max Scherzer, league leaders. When is he not? Jeremy Peven, first pitch. Mr. Ari Gold from Entourage. Chris Bryant. Northern Highlights. Got a World Series card here of Aroldis Chapman. Chris Young. And Jared Weaver. That pack kicked ass because it had Ari Gold in it. Just saying. Alright, on to the next pack. We got 2017 Heritage Minor Leagues. We got Andrew Stevenson. Brady Aiken. Dominic Smith. Congratulations. That's an advertisement, I think. Gavin Lux. Juan Hillman. Marcos Dipan. And Taylor Clark. Alrighty. On to the Bowman 2018. 10 cards. Anthony Rizzo. Or feels like there's a thick card in here. Paul Goldschmidt. Ozzie Albies rookie card. Very nice. Harrison Bader rookie card. Very, very nice. Solid player. Clint Frazier. 2018 Rookie of the Year favorites. Nice card. Little Clint Frazier. Colton Welker. Jones. Ian Anderson. Jojo Romero. And Bobby Bradley. That was a cool pack. Definitely had some nice rookies in there. Then we got the Topps Chrome 2018. Get a little Ohtani. Oh, that's awesome. Walker Buehler. That's a really good one to get. Nice Walker Buehler. Then we got a Future Stars here of Christian Arroyo. Matt Carpenter. And Luis Severino. Very, very cool. Next pack, 2018 Topps Gallery. Walmart exclusive. got a Jordan Hicks rookie card. Manny Machado, who still has not signed. Hoping the White Sox sign him. Don't want the Phillies to, but we'll see where he goes. Yasmani Grandal. I think he signed with the Brewers. Oh, that's a really nice card. Juan Marichal, Hall of Famer, San Francisco Giants. And Mr. Clayton Kershaw. Solid pack. And our last pack. 2018 Heritage Minor Leagues. Ryan Borky, Greg Diekman, Oscar De La Cruz for the Smokies, Michael Baez, Isaac Paredes, Pete Alonso for the Rumble Ponies, Badu, and Tanner Hoke. So there we go. That's all the packs from the rookie card explosion box. Had a fun time cracking those all open. And that was really cool. So Philmington, Phil, thank you very much for selecting me, man. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. Look at all those cards. Had a fun time cracking that on open. Definitely some of my highlights. Walker Buehler, rookie. Very sweet. This nice autograph of Dwell Lugo. And I'm going to have to go through here again and look up some of those, because I'm not too familiar on the minor league prospects and all. I actually don't do much prospecting, but I'm going to have to go through those and check them out. But very, very nice. And like I said, I'm going to leave the link down below for Philmington's channel and also more information on the rookie card explosion box. So that was a lot of fun. So Phil, I'm going to shoot you an email, give you some of my feedback on it. And that's all I got for you guys. So have a great one. Take care. Love the hobby. Keep on cracking. And have a great one. Peace.